Morning everyone, today is November 23 and our daily devotion is titled Speak with Kindness. Our verse for today is Proverbs 15:1. A gentle answer stirs anger away, but mean words stir up anger. Ang maliwanag na sagot ay nakabawi ng puot, ngunit lalong nakagalit ang babalang na sagot. Our teaching, tongue can start a fire. Our tongue is sharp. It's like it can pierce us. Tongue can say things that might cause more fire, can lead more fire. Fire is the anger or something that are bad and we can make it worse by saying something that are not appropriate and necessary. Tongue can quench a fire. Our tongue also as well as can put out the fire by speaking calmly. 3. The tongue can heal our brokenness through speaking. Through saying things that are nice, we can heal the brokenness of one another. For our application, guard your mouth and you will safely. Guard our mouth. Those it means. Guard what we say throughout the day, so that our day will be peaceful and not chaotic as others. Number 2, avoid pride will never go wrong. Must avoid having pride because pride can lead up to fire. Last is humble heart and begin healed. We must humble our own heart. We're not perfect. We must know that we make mistakes sometimes. Let's start healing on the process that we're going to get through the things that we have done by saying things that are appropriate